Look.
Oh, you're recording? You're recording and I just didn't notice until my whole face was, I was like, whoa, why is my face in there?
Huh. Oh, shit. There we go.
Files, show yourself.
I guess I've filed it away. Oh.
I'm going to don my trusty headset. Bonk. I might look mental, but I don't care. I look mental.